friends, it's Miss Nora from the CH Booth Library, and I'm here today creating my winter scene with some supplies that I picked up in the children's department at the CH Booth Library. So in the bag was a large piece of white paper to start my scene, and there were stickers, and I also had all these faces so I could have some snowmen in my winter scene. And then I couldn't decide what I wanted my winter scene to be about, so I looked at some children's books. I read The Most Perfect Snowman, written by Chris Britt, and in this story, the snowmen are having a dance, and so they all dress up and they wear different hats and gloves and jewelry, and some of them even carry pocketbooks, and there's a band playing all different musical instruments, and so that was a good idea. And then I looked at another book called Snowmen at Night to see what those snowmen were doing. This is written by Carolyn Booner, and it's illustrated by Mark Booner. And in this book, there's a scene where the snow people are playing baseball, which is my favorite sport. And they use their brooms as bats, and they use snowballs instead of baseballs. And so I took my sheet of paper and I have started drawing my scene with my snow people. And I decided I would like to do baseball because that would make me think of spring. And so, as you can see, I've started to make their uniforms. And I've made some snowballs that'll be the baseballs. And I put a baseball glove on them, and I'm starting their baseball hats. So I hope you will stop by the library and pick up your supplies and take them home and create your own scene and share with us. Either send us your pictures, or you can post them on Facebook. We'd love to see what you create with your supplies, and we hope you have fun doing it.